If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Huobi, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure you have received any emails from Huobi regarding your verification status. Sometimes, additional information or documents may be requested via email. Step 2. Log into your account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Submit required documents. If additional documents are needed, prepare and submit them as per Huobi's requirements. Ensure that all documents are clear, legible, and meet the specified criteria. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your documents, allow some time for Huobi to process your verification. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days, depending on their workload. Step 5. Contact customer support. If your verification remains pending for an extended period, reach out to Huobi's customer support. Provide them with your account details and any relevant information to expedite the process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Huobi efficiently. If you encounter further difficulties, don't hesitate to seek assistance from their support team.